Stranded Cleat, back at it again with another video, as you can see. So today's video is gonna be like the volume 2 of the first video. I'll have that video linked down below, and it's the iPhone XS Max unboxing video. So go ahead and check that out. But so today's video, this video currently, as you already know what it is. So I don't even know why I'm pressing you like this. But yeah, so today's video, it's gonna be on the Apple Watch 4 series, stainless steel gold. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, I already have, this is my old Apple Watch. This is series 1. So, you already know how long I've had that. I've had it for like 2 years. But I had stopped wearing it because I stopped working at a phone store. Well, yeah, so I kind of just stopped wearing it because I was like, oh, what am I doing? So this is how the box looks, and let's just go ahead and open it. So you're gonna just flick these out like that. Ooh. And so there's a whole bunch of like different watch bands on this paper that they just have the watch in. And on the box on the watch, so the band for the watch is at the bottom, like underneath the watch, like this. That's why they have this package, I guess, because the watch band can't fit in the box. But yeah, that's cool. So on the box though is the watch, and it's like a 3D effect on it too, just like the phone. So that's pretty cool. So let's just go ahead and open it. Oh. So the watch is out of the band, of course, because the band is in the box. And then there's like there's the different the documentation, and then there's the charging block, and then the charger, which is it's different, it's new, and it's like it has like a silver detailing around it, which is really cool. Wow, if you can see that, that's cool. But so the watch, the actual device, it's in this cute little sleeve, little tan sleeve, and then you just slide it out. And look, it's up. Well, and so it needs to be paired, but it's so cute. Like, I got the gold color again, and it's like the exact same color as the phone. Like, the sides of the phone, it's exactly the same, and that's why I got it, because I wanted them to match. But it's so freaking cute and little. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to pair it to my phone. Oh my gosh, and I wanted to get the stainless steel because I was like, oh no, like, this is just too clean, and I wanted to match my phone. Like, I can't get a different one. Like, I just can't do that to myself. So I'm gonna pair it, but I'm gonna get off that way my phone doesn't die or say that I don't have enough storage to record. So freaking annoying. But what? But yes, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. They're so cute. So I almost forgot to show you the band. So this is what the band looks like. It's the stone sport band. So it's like the goldish color that they have. But let me go ahead and take it out. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. A little Apple sign on there, a little logo. And then this is, ooh, this is what the band looks like in the box. Super cute. I'm definitely not going to keep this band on my watch forever. I'm just going to, like, have it on there for now because I don't have it in the band. But this is what it looks like. And it's gold. It has, like, gold detailing on it. It's so cute. Like, I'm super glad that I got this. Show you guys what it looks like on my wrist. So I put the bands on. And I'm just gonna strap it real quick. Like that. Oh gosh. Tuck that little in. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. And like with the phone, we gleaming on it. We gleaming on it, man. Yes, I gang more. But yeah, it's so cute. Like, Oh, I'm so happy right now. This is why I work hard, so I can get the nice things that I want. Thanks for watching, lovies. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.